If you've ever wondered how much your money could grow if you invested consistently, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a free investment calculator we have on our website at 𝗖𝗹𝗰𝗂𝗆𝐿.com. It's based on the Dave Ramsey investing approach, and it helps you see, in simple numbers, what long-term investing can actually do for you. This is the Dave Ramsey Investment Calculator. It's designed to help you estimate how your money could grow over time if you invest regularly. No complicated finance talk, no spreadsheets, just clear numbers you can understand. First, you enter your gross annual income. This is your income before taxes. Dave Ramsey often recommends investing about 15% of your income, and this calculator can help guide that. Next is your monthly investment amount. You can enter your own number or let the calculator help you estimate it based on your income. Next, you add any money you already have saved or invested. This could be money in retirement accounts or other long-term investments. This is the expected annual return rate. Dave Ramsey typically uses 10 to 12% for long-term growth stock mutual funds. You can adjust this number to be more conservative if you want. Finally, you choose how many years you plan to invest. This is where the magic of time and compound growth really shows up. Once everything is filled in, you click Calculate Growth, and the calculator shows you how much your investment could grow over time. What I love about this calculator is that it makes investing real. Instead of guessing, you can actually see how small monthly investments add up, why starting earlier matters, how consistency beats trying to time the market. This is a great tool if you're planning for retirement, long-term goals, or just trying to understand where your money could be in the future. I highly recommend saving or bookmarking this calculator. Anytime your income changes or you're thinking about increasing your investments, you can come back and run the numbers again. And if you ever want help turning these estimates into a real financial plan, we're here to help at 𝗖𝗹𝗃𝗲𝗆 Accounting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please click subscribe for more free tools, calculators, and simple money tips. We're always adding new resources to help you make smarter financial decisions.